Welcome to Supply Chain 360, your go-to source for the latest trends and innovations in supply chain management. I'm your host, my name is Ralph Leindecker, and today we're diving into the exciting world of generative AI, a technology that's rapidly transforming how we think about supply chains. We'll explore how this AI model, known for its ability to generate new contents and insights, is being applied to solve real-world supply chain challenges and optimize processes like never before. Generative AI has been making waves across all industries. But what does it mean for supply chains? Today we're going to find out. Let's start by defining what generative AI actually is. Generative AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can create new content, whether it's text, images, or even predictive models. The technology leverages machine learning algorithms, particularly deep learning, to simulate human-like creativity. In the context of supply chain management, generative AI can analyze massive data sets, identify patterns, and offer suggestions for improvements or optimizations that humans might miss. So instead of just reacting to supply chain data, generative AI can generate predictions and even propose new strategies to improve efficiency, reduce costs, or solve bottlenecks. Now that we understand the basics, let's talk about how generative AI is already being used in supply chains today. Demand forecasting. Generative AI models can predict future demand by analyzing historical sales data, market trends, and external factors like weather patterns or geopolitical events. These insights allow companies to fine-tune their procurement and production schedules to meet demands more precisely. For example, companies like Amazon or Walmart are leveraging AI to predict customer demand spikes, adjusting inventory levels and logistics plans accordingly. Inventory optimization. AI-driven systems can automatically generate recommendations on optimal stock levels, reducing both shortages and overstock situations. By understanding complex, real-time data streams, generative AI can help ensure that inventory is balanced across global networks. Supplier selection and risk management. Generative AI can analyze supplier performance data and suggest potential partners who may not have been considered previously. It can also model risk scenarios like natural disasters or trade disruptions and propose new sourcing strategies to minimize supply chain vulnerabilities. Logistics and routing. When it comes to shipping and logistics, generative AI can help design more efficient transportation routes. This not only reduces delivery times, but also cuts costs and lowers carbon emissions. AI is capable of predicting traffic, weather conditions, and even geopolitical risks, offering real-time adjustments to shipping routes. What's really exciting is that these aren't hypothetical applications. They're happening right now in some of the world's biggest companies. So what does the future hold? Generative AI in supply chain management is still in its early days, but the potential is enormous. Here's a look at some of the emerging trends and future outlook. End-to-end supply chain visibility. One of the most sought-after features in supply chains is full visibility from production to delivery. With generated AI, we could see fully autonomous systems that monitor the entire process, flagging inefficiencies, and offering solutions in real time. Imagine an AI system that not only tracks your shipments across continents, but automatically reroutes it around delays, adjusts stock levels in warehouses, and even communicates with customers, all without human intervention. Predictive and prescriptive analytics. While predictive analytics tells us what might happen, prescriptive analytics tells us what we should do. In the near future, generative AI will evolve to provide more prescriptive recommendations, helping supply chain managers make smarter data-driven decisions. The shift could drastically improve decision-making speed and accuracy, especially in high-stakes situations like product recalls or demand surges. Sustainability in supply chains. Sustainability is becoming a critical focus for many companies, and generative AI is poised to play a major role in helping organizations reduce their carbon footprint. From optimizing delivery routes to recommending energy-efficient manufacturing processes, AI can help companies meet their sustainability goals while staying competitive. This could be particularly important in industries like consumer goods, where customers are demanding more environmentally friendly products and supply chains. Collaborative AI networks. In the future, we might see multiple supply chain AI systems working together, sharing data across companies and industries. This kind of collaboration could help to mitigate risks, manage disruptions more effectively, and create more resilient global supply chains. Picture an AI-powered platform where companies across different industries can share data on supplier performance or logistical challenges. This type of collaboration could prevent bottlenecks and ensure smoother operations across the board. Challenges to overcome. Of course, no technology is without its challenges. There are several hurdles that generative AI will need to overcome before it can realize its full potential in supply chain management. Data privacy and security. Sharing sensitive supply chain data across platforms or network raises significant security concerns. Companies will need to invest in advanced cybersecurity measures to protect their information from malicious actors. Ethical considerations. As AI becomes more autonomous, questions about ethics arise. Who is accountable for decisions made by AI systems? Can these systems make fair and unbiased choices in sourcing and logistics? Addressing these concerns will be critical for widespread adoption. Integration with existing systems. Many companies still rely on legacy systems that weren't designed to work with AI-driven technologies. Integrating generative AI into these older systems will require time, investment, and technical expertise. In conclusion, generative AI is a game changer for supply chain management with the potential to revolutionize everything from forecasting and inventory to logistics and sustainability. While challenges remain, the future of AI in this space is bright, with endless possibilities for creating smarter, more resilient supply chains. That wraps up today's episode of Supply Chain 360. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe for more insights into the future of supply chain management and how new technologies are reshaping the industry. Thanks for tuning in, stay ahead of the curve, and I'll see you next time.